Hello guys, today we are going to study about SketchUp lesson 1. So you open your SketchUp. If you wonder how to install this SketchUp, you can comment below. I will demo video for you. So open SketchUp. Okay, so now it has many template now. Here see architecture, simple. If you want to see more, you click on here, more template. So there are many, yeah. So simple, the unit is inches. This meter, inches, architectural, millimeters, centimeter, meter, inch. But mostly we prefer millimeter, mm. That's for drawing, for architecture. So click on it. Yeah, so slow. Oh, sorry. So so this is not the right tool, not standard tool, not still not enough tool for drawing. So how to do it? So to add it here, all tool here, come up here, view, toolbar, and click it on. Okay, first you need large tool set, Standbox, view, style, standard. Okay, what else? Standard, style, view. Okay, large tool, solid tool. Okay, solid tool, standbox, style, view, standard, edit, standard, large tool set. Okay, finish. Yeah, view, that's all. So and then close it and drag it to the place you want. See here, you can drag it anywhere you want. Here, like this, you can drag it here. Drag it to the bottom. Like this. That's cool. So these are the tools that we always keep in drawing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for the next lesson. Bye bye.